Guys, we got breaking news that today the Department of Government Efficiency's official website, the doge.gov website, actually changed and put the logo for Dogecoin, not just for like Doge, but like the actual Dogecoin logo is now on the website, and it's actually in the script code. So if you look in, you can actually see that in the code that there is a Doge as well. So guys, let's all be honest with ourselves. I think for the past couple days since the Trump meme coin launch, we've just been looking at the Trump chart. And we've probably even ignored some of the other charts that we had been looking at for months and months and months, just because we were kind of playing off the FOMO and the hype of this Trump coin. But the thing that we have to remember is that these things a lot of the times are, as much as we want to try and avoid it, they are cash grabs. Doesn't mean that it's going to like dump and go to zero, but every coin that we like and that we've talked about for the past couple years has done the same thing. It's pumped up super high. We get snipers and insiders that got in early and they sell. It distributes the coin and the chart down, and then we end up seeing if it's going to basically recover from there. And a lot of them do, but it takes this initial, FUD and the sell-off and all that stuff to actually happen. And then it continues to go. So, but the difference between that happening a couple, years ago and it happening now is that these fundamental projects that we have already been talking about for a long time. We've talked about Cardano, we've talked about, Chainlink, and we've talked about, Polygon and just, we've talked about a lot of different things. We've talked about the layer twos, like the bullish layer twos. We've talked about all these different narratives. We've talked about the Dogecoin narrative a lot. These things are not going away. They're still a thing. They're still active. Like the thesis hasn't changed. It's actually been strengthened. It's just now we have to really just be patient, because guys, like the things that we have been talking about for the past 4, 5, 6 months is now actually playing out, and it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning, guys. So we're still not even over a $4 trillion market cap for the total cryptocurrency markets, and so we have way more room to grow. I think that it was easy to get caught up in the FOMO and the craziness of like literally going into the inauguration of President Trump yesterday, and then just the meme coin launching 2 days before. It's been just kind of volatile. So don't beat yourself up too bad if you missed Trump coin or if you missed whatever. You got to remember, like, this is just one little opportunity. There are plenty of opportunities that we can get into, and we have to remember that. We have to, because if we don't, we will let ourselves get too emotional from saying, oh, we missed this or we missed that. I'm like, guys, you are so early to crypto right now that is the least of your worries if you missed Trump coin or if you missed whatever latest meme that's around. Like, you got to understand that Dogecoin itself is going to probably add another, $40 billion in market cap. It at its peak was almost at 80 billion. So you have to think about the nature of the Department of Government Efficiency right now and what it actually entails, and the mind share that's going to be happening with Dogecoin. And guess what? Yeah, all the normies and all the people were talking about XRP, XRP to blah, 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 this and that XRP. Well, guess what? Dogecoin is going to have its day and actually will probably go up more than XRP. And that's just my personal opinion. Doge has always been the true champion of the meme culture. The most ironic outcome could be that we do have Dogecoin being bought by World Liberty Financial, which is the Trump family's, DeFi company protocol. And basically what I think they're going to buy next, it's probably going to be Dogecoin. It might even be Pepe. So like we're too early. We're so early, and we're under 4 trillion for the entire market cap, okay, for the entire space. So yeah, I have to remind myself this. I'm going to remind you guys, and hopefully You're not getting shaken off of your thesis and your plan that you had, which is, hey, this is going to be one of the most bullish years in crypto to date. And if we've been buying and we're still buying right now, it's okay. It's January. We have until like September. I think August and September and October is where we're going to have probably the craziest peak in the market, and altcoins are going to be like up probably thousands of %. Some of them are going to do better than others. We all know that. And we're just going to hope that we have some of those coins in our portfolio. It's just that's the only thing you can hope for, really, if we're going to be honest with ourselves, is that, hey, do I have the coins in my portfolio that are going to perform the best out of every single coin that's on the market right now? Yes, then cool. Then you're going to do okay. But it takes a little bit of knowing the trends, knowing what is actually going to be pumping. You know, we obviously got the memes, we got the AI agents narrative. You know, some of those coins are complete, absolute vaporware, not going to do crap, but then there's going to be some that actually do stuff. You know, there's one, Test Griffin and Delicium, that we've been watching for the AI agent picks. And then, yeah, the layer 2s. Still watching Metis and different layer 2s coming around the pipe. And yeah, there's so much. I can mention a bunch of things, but let's save it for the live stream. Make sure you guys are tuning into those live streams on a normal basis, Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, just keep calm, keep stacking the sats. We are on the road to going to $500,000 per Bitcoin. Alts are going to be flying, and everything is going to be okay. Don't let the volatility get to you. Don't quit. Yeah, that's all I got to say, guys. I'll see you on the live streams. Peace. Peace, 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 peace.